Hey guys, it's Larrylyn with House of Okoti Design. I am about 3 weeks out post total hip arthroplasty. Haven't been posting in a while, just still in this recovery process, and just wanted to share with you a little tip of what I've been using to get back into that sewing studio while trying to be self-sufficient. I've had a lot of help from family, my husband, my kids, my parents have come up to visit, and just totally grateful for that help during this surgery recovery. But stick with me and I'm going to share with you a little tool that's helping me to get back to sewing. Good morning, guys. Okay, so I'm just sharing with you a little tip of how I get dressed post hip total arthroplasty. So what I have here in front of me, this is my sock aid. It's a handy little device. It's got ropes on it so that I don't have to bend forward since I have that 90-degree restriction. So let me share with you what I do to put my socks on. Okay, so here's my sock, and here's the very end of the sock aid. So I want to stretch the sock over this area here, and I keep using my upper body strength to pull it back as far as I can. So these are the ropes that I'm actually going to use to have leverage as I stick my foot into this area here. Okay, so my foot is fully inserted, and all I do is pull onto the ropes as I continue to slide my foot down into the sock aid. And voila, there's my sock. So that's just one little tool, and there goes Stormy sniffing and licking my socks as usual. But that's how I put on my socks. Thanks for watching. Bye.